Today's quick tip, we're going to be picking off a square part out of round material on a Swiss lathe. So today we're going to do a phase adjustment, and what that is the synchronization between your front and your main spindle to pick off on your square or hex stock. It's mandatory to synchronize so you can go in and pick off your square part and utilize your backside tooling. We'll start with the collet. The collet needs to have a slot put in here, and what this slot does is going to align with a drill and pin in your collet liner. With the collet, we're going to slot it, and this will fit into a drilled and pinned collet sleeve inside the machine. Place the collet in the machine, make sure your pin is lined up with your slot. This one here we've already run apart. We're ready to sync the front and main spindle. So once your collet's milled and it's been installed in your machine and you have the general shape of your part on the front side, we're going to feed Z out, and we're going to bring your sub-spindle in to move your collet in to pick off. This is where you use your hand. You might have to orientate your collet so it comes in and it picks off on the right spot. From here we'll go to our preparation page. Menu select to your phase adjustment. We're going to select number 2 on this machine. That's going to sync your front and your back together. It's going to ask you, do you not want to use the pick off? We are going to use the pick off and clamp down. So from here we just push this phase adjustment and cycle start. It locks on the part. It does a spin inside the machine. And once your green light goes out, your front and back are synced together. For more quick tips, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.